out on a date in my daddy's car. We hadn't driven very far. This chord progression is so easy. It's 1, minor 6, major 4, and major 5. Just keep back to 1. There in the road, straight ahead, the car was stalled, the engine was dead. When the night is come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we see, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. There's so many songs you can do. Got a wife and kids in Baltimore, Jack. I went out for a ride and I never went back. C, A minor, and F. Everybody's got a hungry heart. Any style, rock, country. Lay down your money and play your part. Everybody's got a hungry heart. I'm going to change keys. I'm going to G here. Same chord progression. How many roads must a man walk down before you call him a man? Yes, and how many seas must a white dove sail before rests in the sand? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. Any song that you can think of, good chance it's got the same chord progression. Paul Simon. I knew a man, he came from my hometown. He wore his passion for his woman like a thorny crown. He said, Dolores, I live in fear. My love for you is overpowering. I'm afraid that I'll disappear, slip sliding away, slip sliding away. You know, the nearer your destination, the more you'll slip sliding away. Was a good friend of mine. Never understood a single word he said, but I helped him drink his wine. Same chord progression. Oh, Father, you have been my friend. Now that I'm in trouble, stand by me to the end. Jesus, I need you, stand by me. All my money and my friends are gone. Lord, I'm in a deep well, and I'm all alone. I need you, Jesus, to stand by me. Stand by me. Same chord progression. Stand by me. More contemporary Americana would be this time. John Ford said, won't you hop on in to the stagecoach, baby, gonna take you for a spin, oh ho. Whoa, whoa. Hey, little Hollywood, you're gone, but you're not forgot. You got the cash, but your credit's no good. You flipped the script, you shot the plot. I remember when your neon used to burn so bright and pink. Saturday night, kind of pink. Regardless of the embellishment, same chord progression. In the key of C, it's C, A minor, F, and G. In the key of G, it's G, E minor, C, and D. Just a great thing to be aware of. Again, this is Guitar Bobby, and I play the guitar. So hope you like this. If you do, like it and subscribe to my channel, and you'll always get notifications. Peace. Peace in the world, the whole world, with all of us. Amen.